What's up, guys? I'm so excited. I wanted to cut this quick video and to share with you so that you would be able to stand over my shoulders as I'm working with a particular client. And here's what we believe: this ultimate marketing ecosystem will basically help you with your planning process inside of any marketing campaign that you're currently using. And what I wanted to do was pull back the curtains to give you an opportunity to see exactly what we're doing inside of our business with one of our clients. Marketing is marketing. People feel as if that they're in the real estate niche, they're in the restaurant niche, they're in the chiropractor niche, dentist niche. They're really in the marketing business. And if you don't understand that, I think after you've watched this particular blueprint that I'm going to share with you, it would help you in so many different areas. So I'm going to start with where we are currently with our clients. And this particular client is a museum that we're working with, and they're very near and dear to my heart. And so we wanted to create a marketing campaign for the gala that's coming up. And so I wanted to share with you some of the things that we've decided to implement that we always use. However, I just wanted to share with you everything so that you won't be scratching your head saying, I know that I've heard all these gurus and they drip, 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 and I still feel like there's something that's missing. So on this particular video, I hope that this answer all of your questions. So let's get down into it. Guys, my name is Kendra Phipps Crow. I am so excited. I've been in the marketing game for over 17 years. I did struggle. Yes, I did struggle. I had no idea. I thought that your brand, I ended up getting into the marketing arena through the network marketing industry. However, it led me to branding. It led me to where I am here currently, really lead generation, being able to really sell your products without really selling, because people really buy you. They don't buy your products, they actually buy you. So with this ultimate marketing ecosystem, you will have everything that you need, and I'm not going to leave anything out. So currently right here, this is our lead capture funnel. And what this lead capture funnel does for us, it's actually right now you see 2 pages, but I want to touch on this to make sure that you understand what this particular this lead capture funnel has done before I even launch it. Once I know who my customer avatar is. Number 2, my message has been dialed in, because now I'm inside of the conversation that they're already having. Number 3, now it's time for the traffic, or the media, be it offline, online, radio, news, paper, it doesn't even matter. Once your message is dialed in, you're able to really go in and be able to have a more of a conversion rate, because you're speaking to your dream clients. So with this, normally it's 2 pages. There's a third page for us because we needed a Q&A page. They wanted to know where the location, where the hotels, let's say Q&A questions about the event. What should I bring? Who can I bring? All of that is like the third page that we have here. But normally, just so you guys get this, there's a lead capture funnel, and then there's a thank you. Then normally people send out, and we encourage our clients to send out a thank you email. But on the back end, I get to give you the goods back here. Most people just drop off here, and this is where you will excel. You would be ahead of your competition because you're sending follow-up emails. And the follow-up emails, some people say daily, monthly. I would say to you, consider the Sound Fail episode. That show was about nothing, but they were they were on top of their audience mind. So I would say be like Oprah, have a show every day, and what's in there, you're pushing them back to your offer for the ones that did not buy. And then not only that, you building that relationship. Sometimes it takes 17 touches. People feel like there's a 2% people are ready to buy now. The rest of that 98% people that you're going to want to convert, it's over time. And so be okay with that, right? There's people have raised their hand. There's people that don't even know that they have a problem. There are people that are ready to say, I need what you are selling. So there's unaware, aware, and they're ready to purchase. Just remember that. So you're going to capture all of that inside of this email. And then after they've checked out, what makes you special is you told them that you told them that you were going to tell them. And this is in the letter you're going to send out. It can be a one-page letter thanking them as a customer, reaffirming that they made the purchase and sharing with them the process in which they're going to interact with inside of your business. Here is the newsletter. The newsletter can be 4 pages, it can be 6 pages, it can be 8 pages. What's inside of the newsletter? And for you lazy people, because I know there's going to be some lazy people here, if you do an online newsletter, as long as you're doing a newsletter, and all that the newsletter is doing is sharing your customer results, sharing, let's say what's happening inside of your business, let's say the tricks and trades of your industry, let's say I'm thinking about your customers. So for us, we're just going to be sharing so many testimonials on this particular project. So many testimonials of people that came out to the museum, what they're saying about the museum, the upcoming events that's happening inside of our museum. So this is where you get to create that newsletter and share what's happening with you. So I won't get and spend a whole lot of time on that. Along with that, from that thank you email, I get a shock and awe box. What's inside of the shock and awe box? Your books, your newsletter, your customer guide, a sales letter. When you look at your system, I hope that you take this information and start to plug in the areas where there are holes. The ultimate marketing ecosystem that I wanted to create was for you so that you can say, can I truly hold my marketing dollars accountable? Now there's no drop off. You've increased your conversion rates. Not only that, you're standing out in front of the crowd when it comes down to competition. You're taking it one step further. So your newsletter, your customer guide, your sales letter, your books, you're basically physically sending them something in the mail. Samples. All I'm saying to you, ultimate marketing ecosystem that we use over and over and over again that can apply to any business. So on this lead capture funnel, you know exactly what traffic that you're going to use, and I'll dive into traffic on another video. But on this, I really wanted to share with you, pull back the curtains. What are we working on with our customers? What are we working on with the museum? And I wanted to share this with you because if you don't have a plan, you're planning to fail. And if you don't understand marketing, you're losing money, and if you're losing money, your doors would not be able to be open for long, guys. And I want you to be able to capitalize on this. And just to share a little bit about me and the goodie, because you stayed to the end, I truly want to share this PDF with you as a freebie as well. All you have to do is definitely raise your hand, say freebie, and I'll make sure that we send you a link so that you will be able to grab this particular freebie as a gift to you. And as I close this out, guys, I was not born with a silver spoon in my mouth. I understood my mom raised us to work hard. She was a single mom raising 5 kids, and I can tell you, growing up poor and growing up with options, right? And some of my friends had options, but one of the things that we did have, we had love. And mom always taught us to take responsibility. And I'm saying to you, take responsibility of your marketing. Do not leave it in the hands of someone else. Let me repeat that. Do not leave it in the hands of the gurus. Do not leave it in the hands of the marketing agencies. Make sure that you understand that you can hold your marketing dollars accountable. And that's truly taking responsibility of your business. So I am excited simply because you had an opportunity to hang out with us. Definitely say freebie and I'll make sure that I send you a link so you can grab this. Guys, I'm so excited that you have access to the ultimate marketing ecosystem that we're using for our clients and our customers and for you. I hope that that back end that I just spoke about, that you're implementing inside of your business. Guys, I'm so excited that you have an opportunity to stand over my shoulders as I build this for our clients that's going to have a gala in a few months. But I wanted to share with you some of the things that make our system so special. So, wrapping up this video, thank you so much. I will see you on the next episode. Bye for now.